Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on Crosshair X. All right. So first off, go ahead and open up your Steam or Epic Games or wherever you bought the application. Log in with the account who owns Crosshair X. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, just go ahead and go to your library. Go ahead and find Crosshair X. Click on it and just click on launch. If you do have this option, just launch it normally. Click on play. All right. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you can go ahead and find it right here at your taskbar. So just click on it, make sure that it is visible. And once done, you're good to go. Now, if you want your Crosshair X, okay, to open up when you boot up your computer, well, just go ahead over to options right here, the left panel. Now make sure that Crosshair X launch on startup is enabled. Also, make sure that your Steam opens up as well when you boot up your computer. Now, to do that, just go ahead over to your search bar, type in startup apps. Okay, click on startup apps. Now go ahead and find Steam. Okay, make sure that this toggle is enabled. And once that's done, go ahead and test it out, restart your computer. And after that, you're good to go. Okay, that's basically how you turn on Crosshair X. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.